Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact URL and the visible link text you want users to click. Make sure the URL includes the protocol so browsers interpret it correctly. Once done, pick the environment where you'll place the link: email, HTML page, markdown file, or a CMS editor, and verify you have editing privileges. If you cannot edit HTML, prepare the formatted variant your environment accepts. This gets you into the first actionable step, inserting the link itself. Now you implement the link in the format your platform accepts. In HTML, create an anchor with href and optional target equals blank plus rel equals nupener for safety. That controls where it opens and why. In Markdown, wrap text as text, URL, or use angle brackets for plain links. In rich editors, click the link button, paste the URL, choose display text and opening behavior. Make sure the visible text is descriptive for accessibility, and test the click to confirm navigation. Finish by previewing and thoroughly testing the link. Click it in multiple browsers and on mobile to ensure consistent behavior. If you use tracking parameters, confirm their URL encoded and that analytics capture clicks. Once satisfied, save and deploy. If a link fails, first recheck for typos or missing protocol, then confirm permissions and that CSS or JavaScript isn't intercepting clicks. A key troubleshooting tip: open the browser console and network tab to see
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.